Hey Paulo, this video will walk you through of how I make the traditional Filipino dish kare-kare, which may have originated from your neck of the woods in Luzon. Disclaimer, this method is far from traditional that you're used to, but it's my take on it, and it comes with the help of Mamacita. Let's start with what you need. 1 packet of Mamacita's stew-based Kare-Kare mix, 1.2 pounds of oxtail in half-inch length, 10 cups of water, 12 pieces of long green beans cut into 2-inch length. These are also called snake beans or Chinese long beans. If you could find these in your Oriental store, or just the regular long green beans. 2 medium-sized eggplants sliced into half-inch length, 3/4 cups of peanut butter, 12 pieces of bok choy, clean and cut, and shrimp paste for taste, and salt to thoroughly wash your green beans and then chop them in 2-inch length. Chop your eggplants depending on the size. I did quarter to half-inch. Wash your bok choy thoroughly and set your vegetables aside. In a high heat, unoiled pan, go ahead and sear both sides of your oxtail. Once it's all seared on both sides, go ahead and cover it and place it into a preheated 150 degrees oven for about 2.5 hours. Prepare your stock. They use 2 cubes of beef broth and then put it on reserve. Now put the Mamacita mix into a bowl. Add your peanut butter. Add the broth. Instead of the cups of water, I just normally just use the broth. In a stock pot with a bit of oil, begin stir frying your vegetables, starting with the eggplant. Green beans. And slowly add the oxtail, the meat first. And I added extra broth, beef broth, into the pan to deglaze. Stir. Deglaze some more using the beef broth. Bring it down to a boil. Bring it up to a boil, I meant, and cover. As you can see, all the goodness You're just adding the sauce. I didn't have the footage for it, but just add the sauce that you mixed with the mamacita and the peanut butter. And it's all done. Plate it. Place a bagoong on the side. Voila, kare-kare the simple way. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead, click to subscribe and give us a thumbs up.